Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from FRI 148 Industrial Engineering International Class. And this presentation we want to present our study case about analysis displacement of mini market choice in the community with Markov chain method. Yeah, this task is for fulfill the big task of operational research too. Yeah, uh, our team member is Bramasta Aldia, and then Rizal Wardani, and Wikasekar Sanggarwati. The background of our big task is competition of the rapidly growing world of industry today encourage every company to be able to compete by promoting product in the form of goods or service is over. Procurement of various products or goods in a market greatly affect consumer behavior to want to go and buy goods contained in the market. The desire of consumers to meet their daily needs is a strong reason to buy products or goods they need every day. In order to consumer not to switch to similar product with the mini market must be able to create service with the attributes that match the needs and desires of consumer. In addition, mini market must also be able to analyze the factor that cause consumer to choose a particular mini market. With these attributes and factor produce, we'll be able to create a good image of the service so as to meet the needs and the desires of consumer to dominate market shares. Therefore, it is necessary to predict market share in order to optimize the selling rate. Yeah. With this problem, we conducted a research using Markov chain method.
And is the formulation of the problem. The first is what is the lead of market share in mini market data research. The second is what is the probability of mini market displacement in the Bandung. And lastly, how we know the market share using Markov chain method. And the research purposes. The first, knowing the implementation of Markov chain. The second, knowing the probability of mini market displacement in citizens, and the lastly, knowing the decision making of the questionnaire by Markov chain. And we have with literature review before data processing. Markov chain analysis is a method that studies the properties of the present day variables based on their past in nature attempt to assess the properties of these variables in the future. In the analysis of resulting Markov is a probabilistic information that can be used to assist decision making. So this analysis is not an optimization technique but rather a descriptive technique. Markov analysis is a special form of the more general probabilistic model known as the stochastic process. And the determination of data requirements. The source of data for this study obtained from the primary data. The primary data is obtained directly from the source of information by using the questionnaire instrument personally, which is limited by several alternative answers. Data required in this insert include 100 respondents of consumers of Indomaret, Alfamart, and Circle K. And data collection procedures. The data collection procedure is done through several systematically arranged procedures. To get the primary data, researchers spread the online questionnaire to consumers who had bought in Indomaret, Alfamart, and Circle K.
This session we will describe about the data processing using Microsoft Excel. Actually, we use two software to calculate the data processing. And the step for processing data using Markov chain are recapitulation data from questionnaire. So we got the recapitulation questionnaire, and and our respondent is 100. So after that we do the table, we do the calculate loyalty of customer. In the period 1, the number customer of Indomaret is 59, Alfamart 29, and Circle K 12. But on period 2, the number of customer is for Indomaret 57, Alfamart 32, Circle K is 11. So this table we know who lost the customer and who get the customer. In table matrix transition, we get the probability from we divided the total of Indomaret customer with the loyalty of customers. Like we divided the Indomaret customer 45 divided with 57, so we get 1.76. And the first period and the second period, we times the period 1 2 times. And the third period, we can times period 2 with period 1 and so on until period 13. So, in the period 13, we got stable condition, the probabilistic. In the table market share, for the calculate the table market share, we calculate the probability using total value in the row divided with total of respondent for market share period 0. Calculate period 1 using matrix probability transition period 1 times market share period 0. Calculate period 2 until 4 using matrix probability transition period 1 times previous period that will calculate. So, we can determine the steady position. The steady position seen from same continuous value. In this table market share, we get the steady position in period 4. So, the analysis is, before that, I will tell you about the data processing using POMKM. This is our data processing using POMKM. The data shown that there are 13 period. This is the result using Markov analysis method. The ending probability is the same like the stable state using Microsoft Excel. So, the conclusion of our study case is, based on the data that we calculate using Markov chain, we know that there has been shift for loyalty of mini-market among all this community because lack of appropriate mini-mart usual customer would go. Indomaret and Circle K decreasing the number of market share. Indomaret and Circle K start decreasing in first period, while Alfamart increasing the number of market share start in second period following in the third period. This situation means that the equilibrium of market share happen in fourth period, and in the next period the mini market which dominate in the community is Indomaret because Indomaret is the market leader. So Indomaret control the market above 14%. That's all our presentation. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.